Hey guys, let's get into the review of PinWizz. Okay, so the PinWizz is a software that have never been before like software, because PinWizz is totally Pinterest customizable software, and there was no software to customize your Pinterest to done for you to easy Pinterest doing, okay, or something like that. Okay, so this is the dashboard of PinWizz. You can see these are the options, or you can say those are the options in this software which will be helping to you in this software. Okay, so these are the software. Let me introduce one by one. So this is the dashboard, and there are some statistics in the dashboard. These are the statistics which will show about your Pinterest account. Easily you can recognize your Pinterest account, how your campaign is running, or such something like that. Okay, so this is a pie chart. You can see direct, social and referral, everything is given, and total comments, total posts, board follow count, Pinterest account, everything is given on dashboard. Okay, so the next option is photo editor. Okay, so let me click on photo editor. So this is a really crazy and cool stuff in this software. Okay, so this is a totally pre-installed photo editor. Okay, you can do whatever you want to do with your photo. Okay, you can change the font and you can type on this. Okay, you can add your text here. Okay, everything you want to do you can do here, and you can add your clip arts, you can add your smooth skin. These days editing has so many options, and dice color and drawings, everything you can do with photo. Okay, and instantly you can pin your photo in Pinterest. Okay, so this was photo editor, and the next option is Pinterest account. This is a very important option in the software. Okay, let me show you in this section, or in this portion. You have to connect your Pinterest account, the ID, which ID, from which ID you want to get the statistics. You want to need your pins should be public. You have to put that ID here, and put that ID here, or connect the ID here. Okay, from here you can connect your Pinterest IDs. Okay, now the next option is boards. Okay, let me click on boards, and you can see those boards of respectively exact that IDs which you have previously connected here. Okay, so the next option is search boards. Okay, so from here the main things is I am introducing the main things of this software. Okay, let me introduce you. Okay, my timer is not a premium version, my video screen recorder, so that's why I have started it. Okay, so this is the main things. This is search boards. Okay, let me put on any keywords. Weight loss, this is a high searched keywords, that's why I have put it. Okay, now let me click on search. Okay, now you can see there are so many things come about weight loss. Okay, so the board name, the URL of the board, and this board have total 3,741 pin counts. Okay, huge. And the username, you can from here you can follow them back and let them follow to you. Whatever you want to do you can do here. And Pinterest totally based on keywords, that's why people put their words on the image also, because Pinterest can scan the images and take the take the keywords or words, whatever you want to say you can say. Okay, so you can follow from here. So that is why this option is given. By searching keywords you can follow the boards, and you can repin as your boards. Okay, in your board, sorry. So this was the option search boards. Okay, so next option is search pins. Okay, let me click on search pins and put it here also, weight loss. So now you can see like search board, it is also have some options, some columns. Okay, pin ID, pinner name, pin title, repin count. This is a repin count. This is a totally good stuff. You can see whoever whoever taking the exact pin and repin as their pin, you can see that from here. And the main things and the totally crazy thing of this software comes here, that is pin details. Okay, so these pins may be deleted. Okay, so click on this pin. Okay, you can see now. So this is the pin, and you can view pin by clicking here into Pinterest, and you can from here you can do totally comment your affiliate link. You can write that this is a very cool stuff, but you can also check and give your affiliate link or something like that. You can do from here. You can do for any pin, any viral pin from here. Okay, so this is a totally insane option in this software, PinWizz. Okay, so now let me click on add pin. So this is a totally done for you Pinterest feature, Pinterest add pin feature. This option is nothing much. This option is exactly Pinterest feature. In Pinterest, you can put, just as you put your pin on Pinterest, you can put from here, and you can put it so much easily. Okay, so much customizably. Okay, so the next option is URL shortener. This is a very important thing in this software, and this makes this software worthy, because nowadays there are so many link shortener, but Pinterest do not recognize them, do not authenticate them, and at the time you are giving your shortener link, that time is okay, but after 8 days or after some hours or after 1 week, Pinterest remove the shortened link, and your pin is totally after that time your pin is totally valueless, and no sales are coming from the Pinterest, because the shortened link whatever you have used totally unauthenticated and totally illegal or trespassing URL. Okay, that's why this software is given that, and this URL shortener is very important for you. Okay, because it is not based on third parties or something like that. It gives you totally unique URL shortener which Pinterest authenticate easily. Okay, so this after this is the done for you images section. You can see here, let me put joy. Okay, you can search any kind of images. I think this software is already pretty integrated. Yes, this image I have seen on Pixabay. Okay, so I have also seen this before on Pixabay, so it is already integrated with Pixabay, so that is why you can get the done for you images easily in this software. So after this, it is a exclusive Pinterest training, so it is also giving you how should you start, how should you operate your Pinterest or something, some social media. Okay, so after that, this is a social video training. I must tell you before that you should go through these two options before starting this software. Before starting these all options, you should go through these two options. Okay, so lastly it is bonus. Okay, so these are the bonuses which is coming for this launch period only. We can come and check these bonuses. My timer is getting nearer to 3 minutes. I have to restart it. Okay, let me restart it. Okay, so these were the bonuses, and the last option is support. From here you can get their ultimate support. Okay, now let me show you which I want to show you. Okay, which is about this software also. This is a meme is created by me. The topmost link is given on this video description, and also the middle link, also the last link, whatever link you want, you can click and you will be redirected to this page. Okay, So this is the main thing from where you can get the software, and my bonuses, which is owed as $502,096 I have collected from so many days. Let me show you. I have mentioned here why the software is worthy. Okay, why the software is worthy, one by one point, exact point I have mentioned here. Okay, so these are the features, everything is given here that will make you easily choose it or unchoose it, or I don't know the exact English word. Okay, so this is the only one I have gotten in the software. Okay, the problem is if you want to online e-marketing with it, you should have little bit e-marketing knowledge before purchasing it, like 10 days of e-marketing knowledge, like 15 days or like 30 days. Okay, you should have little bit knowledge, because totally if you want to earn with it, then you should have little bit e-marketing knowledge beforely. Okay, then purchase it. Okay, this is my suggestion. Okay, so this is the exact price. Okay, so $17 on the launch time. After that, dime sale will be started and price will be increases every hour. Okay, so this is the launch time, launch period, and this is 30. There is 30 days guarantee. And this is the everything I have mentioned here about this software, how we can use it, how we can continue it, how you can smoothly run it on your PC. Okay, so these are the testimonials. These testimonials are very much valuable, because these are the most popular people, most popular marketers, and they are also recommending you to get this. Okay, so whoever can use it, I have mentioned here. This is the owner and this is my word. Okay, so these are the upsells. Let me show you. Pinwizz Ultimate, that is $37. Pinwizz Pro, Pinwizz DFY, Pinwizz Exclusive, Pinwizz Reseller. Okay, so these are the bonuses, these are the main things that I want to show you. And let me show you once I have restart my screen recorder. Okay, so let me restart it. Okay, I have restarted it. Okay, so these are the bonuses. Now let me show you. Number one, bonuses 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I am scrolling down. Let me show you, because I have collected it from so many days. I am on this e-marketing from so many days, and let me show you. These are the bonuses which I am giving you today with this software. The bonuses are more valuable than this software. Okay, you can get as you are searching, you want this software, then you are searching, you can get this software from anywhere, but if they give more bonuses than me, then you should buy from this. And they are totally simple funda, and if they are not giving bonuses like that, then you should buy from me. Okay, so there are 65 bonuses which I have mentioned, but I can't mention because I am unable, because there are so many huge products I have collected from so many days. You can see there are so many mega this is as I have mentioned here, mega bonuses, total 100 products. After 65 products, I have mentioned 100 products, mega bonuses with SEO stuff, with software, with PDF, with everything is given for you. You can check the bonuses and you can get it. I don't want to explain about each bonuses. This is like that, or make the video lengthy. I want you to come by clicking the link to redirected to this page, and let you check the bonuses and choose your product with a big smile, because I always love meme. That's why I love to give memes with any software. Okay, so once you purchase the front-end product with $17 on from my side, by clicking this link, or two buttons are there, you can click on them also. After purchasing it, you can click on the blue button to get the bonuses, to access the bonuses. Okay, so these are some frequently asked questions, and this was the review. Okay, let me now end it. Okay, so this was the review. I am signing out. Bye bye.